Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I make thousands of dollars every single day consistently from deving meme coins, and why trading meme coins was never the move in the first place. You guys need to realize that most traders lose a bunch of money in the trenches because of the devs. The devs are creating these coins with the intention of selling their supply to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. So if you are a trader right now, you are bound to lose money. That's why I dev coins instead. All I do is I create viral coins using viral narratives, and then I cash out when the coin pumps. Today, I am giving you the full process live on camera for free. I will show you every single step of the way. I am not here to sell you a paid group or a course. I will even do a real coin launch to show you what's possible and to show you every single step of the way. Let's go! And by the way guys, I am not here to bullshit or to waste your time. I do make money indeed from creating coins every single day, so I do know what I'm talking about. Just look at my Phantom wallet, bro. I've made like 7 figs in the past couple of years from deving meme coins, and I do not sell a course, so I am extremely transparent. Let's go. Now here's exactly why I'm a huge advocate on deving meme coins instead of actually trading them. You guys need to realize that in this market, especially right now, most coins that are being created, they go nowhere and they hold no actual value. When they pump, right, they will eventually just dump either on the same day or after a couple days, just like this coin. For example, right here, the dev sold his supply here. He is making thousands of dollars, and that's exactly why you need to start being the one creating these coins instead of being the guy buying them. You guys are buying these coins, okay, hoping for the coin to go up, but from the very top, the dev dumps on everyone and he makes thousands. That's why you need to start creating coins right now, which is exactly why I switch completely to deving and I make hundreds of thousands. And in this video, I will show you exactly step by step on how I create coins every single day to make thousands. I will be exposing the entire setup and the entire strategy from A to Z on how to find coins, how to launch, how to cash out every thing. So let's go. And by the way guys, I do not claim to be a financial advisor. This entire video is for educational purposes only, so do your own research. Although I will be making a coin live and I do actually make money from this method, I do not condone any financial advice, guys. I'm just capping. Now a lot of new devs, when they start deving meme coins, they immediately head over to Pump.Fun to potentially make a coin and go viral. But the truth is that Pump.Fun is extremely popular and it's really competitive, okay? As you guys can see in the new pairs, here is where all the Pump.Fun meme coins are launching on, and as you guys can see, every second you have one new coin coming out, even multiple of the same narrative. And the truth is that these coins are going to get no attention at all, okay? Maybe one coin out of 100 will get a couple buyers, but the truth is that these coins are going nowhere. So instead, I have a different strategy and a different approach. I launch my meme coins on Radium, which has a bigger ROI and it has a better potential to gain profits on your meme coins because your coins will reach more people and more traders. Like as you guys can see, the most recent coin that got migrated to Radium, it's going decently viral, and yes, the dev is making thousands on this coin, okay? He is making money from the creator fees and from his supply, so for that reason, I launch on Radium. Now you have two different ways to create a Radium meme coin. The first way is to create a meme coin on Pump.Fun and hope for that coin to reach the $31,000 migration price for it to level up to Radium. But let's be honest bro, that's like almost impossible. So instead, there is a second way. If you head over to launchmemes.io, you can actually make your coins here, and every single meme coin that you create on this launchpad will go to Radium immediately. That's why people are actually keeping this site a secret. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on launchmemes.io. You could either first of all create a coin from scratch. So if you have a narrative that you found online, okay, it could be some type of news, it could be a project, a community, anything, you can make it here. Invent a name, symbol, and image, okay? It's really easy, and yeah, just follow the steps. Or you can actually copy coins. I've made all my my money from personally copying coins. It's like vamping coins, and the reason why it's so insane is because instead of creating a coin from scratch and just trying your luck on a new coin, you can just copy a coin that's proven to get buyers before and relaunch that coin to Radium to get buyers on your copy. Basically, all these meme coins have a good narrative and they're all going viral on Pump.Fun already, so they're proven to attract people to buy these coins, and I will even do a live example launching one of these meme coins. So make sure to keep watching, okay? I will be doing a live launch right now. Take your notes out or just watch. Let's go. Let's see if we could make a bag. So connect your Phantom Wallet, right? Let's see which coin to copy. When I copy coins, I just go for a random one. If it only makes a couple $100, that is considered a decent coin, so I just move on to the next one. I'm looking for a viral coin, so I'm gonna just go for this one. Click on copy the Radium. Your Phantom will show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and the coin will be created shortly. Well, minted, okay, just wait. And boom, now if I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it's minted on chain. Everything is legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Okay, so here is where we create our Radium liquidity pool for our meme coin. Like that, our coin can go to Radium and reach a bunch of people. That is the whole point, right? And yeah, and you will have supply before everyone else as a creator. Now for the amount of coins for this coin, click on 90%. I do this for all my coins. This preset should be there for you. For the amount of SOL to pair for the dev buy for yourself, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are temporarily exchanging this Solana, okay, for some supply like that. If the coin gets buyers, you make money on your supply. It's as simple as that. You are not going to lose this, okay? It is not a fee, it is not lost, you will get it back. Click on create pool, ignore the block. Like I said, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin should be created. And bang, now click on refresh and boom, now the coin is officially live. Oh, this was another coin that I launched, don't worry about that, guys. But yeah, now as you guys can see here, we're up $0, but look, if you click on the first refresh again, as you guys can see, now we're up $200 because people are buying our coin. That is insane. Let's go see the chart to see how much we're up and to see if it's pumping. Boom, it's pumping, as you guys can see, okay? Oh, it's dumping a bit, but don't worry about it, bro. More and more people are going to start seeing the coin and then buying in, okay? Just let the coin pump. It is not a big deal. Bang, it's pumping so much, bro. This is exactly why I love deving so much. I'm a huge advocate on deving because you have nothing to lose, first of all, and second of all, it's repeatable. You can launch over and over again without risking anything, right? And mind you, I spent nothing on creating this coin and I did no marketing at all, okay? The only marketing is the Radium Dex and your narrative on the coin you copied. Now just let the coin pump and we'll be right back, okay? So let's go. Guys, I am back after like 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, the coin is up a lot. We're at a 13k market cap, which is good. So let's cash out. Let's see how much we made actually on this coin. Come back to launch memes.io, right? Click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're up 2.8k on this meme coin, guys. 2.8 thousand. This was another coin I launched yesterday, 1.4k. I haven't cashed out yet, but let's cash out on this one. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block from Phantom, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then it should be fully cashed out. Just wait. Bang! I just cashed out on this meme coin, 2.8k in profit. It should be bang, 2.8 bands straight inside my Phantom wallet, bro. I am legit. I'm the only guy on YouTube doing this every single day live. 38.4 SOL. Guys, this is exactly what I mean about deving, guys. Launch memes.io will be linked down below or in the description if you want to start. Remember, it's all for educational purposes only, but if you are going to start deving, bro, stay consistent. Just launch like 20 coins a day, 50 coins a day if you want to. I don't know, just launch. And if you want to win 10 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe and comment, and join my Telegram and Discord down below. Good luck.